There's an old parable about truth and lies that really stayed with me. Listen to this. One day, truth and lie met each other. Lie smiled politely and said, "Good morning, Miss Truth." Truth looked around. The sky was clear, birds were singing, a gentle breeze moved through the air. It really was a beautiful morning. So Truth replied, "Good morning, Miss Lie." Lie continued the conversation. "What a warm day it is today, don't you think?" Truth noticed something surprising. Once again, Lie was right, so she relaxed. Then Lie said, "Why don't we go to the river for a swim? The water is wonderful today." Lie took off her clothes and jumped into the water. She laughed and called out, "Come in, Miss Truth. The water feels amazing." Truth, now trusting after their conversation, took off her clothes and stepped into the river. But in that moment, Lie quietly climbed out of the water. She dressed herself in Truth's clothes and walked away. When Truth realized what had happened, she stepped out of the river, but she refused to wear the clothes of the lie. So Truth walked forward through the streets and valleys completely naked. And ever since then, many people find it easier to accept a lie dressed as truth than to face the truth naked and raw. And maybe that story isn't only about the world out there. Maybe it's also about us. Because sometimes the truth doesn't feel comfortable. It exposes things. It challenges the stories we tell ourselves. And when that happens, a well-dressed lie often feels easier to accept.